this video, I'm going to show you two apps that can use to get data at a very cheap rate from MTN. So if you are using MTN and you are looking for a way on how to get data at a very cheap rate, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you two special apps that can use to get data at a very cheap rate from MTN, but only people know about this app. This is the type of video that I like to watch. Do well to like this video, also drop your comment on the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So let's dive into the video. This is the first app we are going to be talking about in this video, and I'm going to tell you the name of the app at the end of this video. So do well to watch this video to the end to be able to know this app that I can use to get cheap data from MTN. So once you log into this app, this is how the interface look like. Now to get your cheap data from this app, you click on data, then you select MTN. So because we are talking about MTN, you can use this app to also get data for that network, but so we are talking about MTN. So the first session that I can use to get data from this app is the flash sale. So on the flash sale, you can get 1 GB of data for just 10 naira. So with 10 naira, you can get 1 GB of data. So they are giving you 98% discount with this special plan. So for you to be able to get access to this plan, there is a specific time that you can use to get access to this time. There are two sessions that I can use. We have in the morning session and then the evening session. So for you to get access to this plan, the time for the morning session is 8 a.m. in the morning. So once you clock 8 a.m., make sure you just log into the app and you click on buy, because currently I can see sold as. So you click on buy to grab this offer immediately, because there are limited number that they normally give out within that session. Then the next session is in the evening by 8 p.m. in the evening. So if you want to also get access to this offer, then you make sure you log in on time. So this is the first session you can use to get cheap data with this app. Now the next session you can use to get cheap data from this app is if you come to weekly. So if you come to weekly, there are different options that you can use to get cheap data from this app on the weekly session, but the one that I mostly use is you scroll down. If you scroll down, you will see, so you see this option with 400 you can get 2 GB of data. This data will last you for 7 days, which is 1 week. This option is mostly for TikTok. So if you want to do a subscription that you can use for your TikTok, you can use this option to get your cheap data that you can use for your TikTok. Now another option that I use is come to the monthly. So on the monthly, you can also see different options that I can also use to get data from the monthly, but this monthly is mostly for heavy data users. So if you use a lot of data to run your daily activities or to run your business, you can use this monthly to get your data. If you scroll down to the last 3 sessions, you will see different options that I can use to get data from this app. So we have the 30 days offer, we have 60 days offer. If you want to do a data that will last for 2 months, you can go for the 60 days. Then we also have the 90 days data that will last for 3 months. If you are going for this option with 60,000, you can get 550 GB of data. This one will last you for 30 days. So let's do a little calculation to know how much 1 GB of data will cost if you are going for this option. 60,000 divided by 55. So 1 GB of data will just cost you 109 naira. So this is a very good option that you can use to buy cheap data from this app. So let's go back to the next option that you can also use to get cheap data from this app. So let's talk about the 60 days offer. So you can see the 60 days with this option. So with 40,000, I can get 150 GB of data. This data will last you for 60 days. So let's also calculate this on how much 1 GB of data will cost you. 40,000 divided by 50. So 1 GB of data will cost you 266 naira. So you can also use this one to get data that will last for 60 days. But the next option is the 90 days plan. Now with this option, with 75,000, I can get 450 GB of data. It will last for 90 days. Let's also calculate this on how much 1 GB of data will cost you. 75,000 divided by 450. So 1 gigabyte to data will cost you just 166 naira, and this data will last you for 90 days. So this is another good option that I can use to buy data very cheaper from this app. The next section is the social. So on the social, we also have a different option that I can use to do your data subscription for your different social media platform, like your Facebook, your WhatsApp, your TikTok, and all the rest. On this section, if you scroll here, you also see this plan that I talked about earlier, which is with 400 I can get 2 gigabytes of data. Now the next option is you come to general. If you come to general, you also see different options that can use to buy data from this app. So you also have the 30 days offer and also the 90 days offer. Then you also have the extra value. So these are the different options that can use to buy data at a very cheaper from this app. So the name of this app is Pampe. So you can go to your Google Play Store and then you download this app to your phone. So let's move on to the second app that can use to buy data at a very cheaper from MTN. The next app that can use to get data from MTN, this is how the interface look like once you log in. I'm also going to tell you the name of the app at the end of this video, so make sure you also watch this video to the end to be able to know this app. So once you log into this interface, for you to buy your cheap data from this app, you click on buy data. It will take you to this interface. So the first one that I mostly use in this section is you come to social. So you click on social bundle, then it will bring you to this option. Then you scroll down, you see this option, 500 MB post night plan. So this plan is mostly for night browsing. So if you do a lot of work in the night, you can use this plan to get your data from MTN that can use for your night browsing. And with 75 naira can get 500 MB, which means with 150 can get 1 gigabyte of data. So this is the first plan that I mostly use to buy my data from this app. The next one is you click on weekly. If you click on weekly, it will bring you to this interface. Then you scroll down. The one that I use in this section is the last plan here. So this is mostly for TikTok. If you want to do a data plan that you can use for your TikTok, you can use this option. With 400 I can get 2 gigabytes of data, which means 1 gigabyte of data is just 200 naira if you're using this option. So the next option that I use in this app is if you come back to this interface, then you come to SME bundles, then you come to MSME learning bundle. So this special bundle is mostly for educational sites. So if you normally visit some educational site, you can use this bundle to buy your data subscription that I use to visit those educational sites. With 300 I can get 2 gigabytes of data. This data will last you for 7 days. So which means 1 gigabyte of data just 150 if you're using this option. Now the last option that I use in this app is to come to broadband bundle. If you click on it, you click on caps. So this is mostly for heavy data users. So if you use a lot of data to run your daily activities or your business, can use in this option. Now if you scroll to the last 3 option here, with this option here, 37,500 can get 200 gigabytes of data. This data will last you for 1 month. Then the next option is 3 months plan. So if you want to do a data plan that will last for 3 months, can use in this next option. This one with 75,000 can get 450 gigabytes of data. This data will last for 3 months. Then the last option is yearly plan. So if you want to do a data plan that will last for 1 year, you can use in this last option. With 225,000 I can get 1.5 terabytes. So these are the different options that I use to get data very cheaper from this app. So the name of this app is my MTN NG. That is the name of the app. So you can just go to your Google Play Store and then download this app to your phone. So with these two apps, can be able to buy data very cheaper from MTN. This will help to save you cost in the purchase of data. If you got value from this video, do it to like this video and also drop your comment in the comment section. If you're here to subscribe to the channel, do it to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification, so that in time I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So I will see you in my next video.